Hello everybody, my name is Marcus and today I'm going over an app called Recycle Nation. From my survey, one of the things I realized is that people want to recycle, they just don't necessarily know how to go about it. So I discovered this just the other day and let's go over it. I want to recycle tires. That is something that I need to do. And you just type in tires, click use tires, you put your zip code in, and a map will pop up, and boom, places that I can go to recycle tires. Yep, it's pretty easy and self-explanatory, but let's try another one. So we'll deselect this. Christmas was just last month, and I heard of people like trying to figure out where to go for the Christmas tree. And right here, places that you can take your Christmas tree. And there's a lot of different items on this, and what's really nice is that it is free, it is a mobile app, and it's just a lot of different information on here on recycling. So let's try another one. We'll go with hazardous. Oh, lights. That's actually something a lot of people don't realize, that you're not supposed to throw away those fluorescent lights. So you just click on that, and the map will upload, and there you go. Places that you can recycle lights. Well, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope if you guys see this that you will try to recycle. Thank you.